Good day, everybody. Big Bigs Online here, and I'm here to teach you how to create, a unique and premium landing page for absolutely free. Of course, a number of us are actually eager in, promoting either our product or affiliate, product online, but majorly you will need a landing page to actually convince your traffic, your customer. You need to create like a bridge page before they actually see the real sales page itself. But it's been sort of a hustle for a lot of people thinking of what to use. We have different sort of platform we can make use of, but one that I've been using of late, which has been really good, is what I would like to show you. And without wasting much of a time, let's go right away into it, in order for us not to waste much time now. Okay, so now to start with, we're going to go to this site right away called breezy.io. This is how it looks like. Once you get in there, you click on this, get started in order for us to start with it. So that is the parent side of it. So breezy.io, but it has two different service. We've got WordPress. If you actually want to use it for WordPress, you have free WordPress, which you can make use of from there. If you have your custom domain name you want to use. But for now, what we are looking at is using the one which is for the cloud, and we'll go to the free forever plan. So what we'll do from there is to click on this in order for us to get started. Of course, I have my account. Let me sign out and log in back in order for us to see what we're talking about. Okay, now from here we see breezy.cloud. What you're just going to do is to click on this, which will take you to to the creation page, where you create. You can see the sign up, you create. But because I'm a member already, I'm just going to log into my account so that we don't waste much time again. Of course, these are the normal stuff that we can be asked of to do. So from there we just log in. Of course, I have some projects working on there before. So once you are on that dashboard, this is how you're going to have it. So what we just do is to click on any of these in order for us to get started. But for now, this is what I'm going to do. I'll click on, let's see, click on new project. So you click on website and landing page, because that's what we want to do, remember. So we click on it that way now. So once we click on that, it takes us to this particular page. So once we're on this, so what we're just going to do is to click on any one of these projects. So we click on any of the projects here, and it takes us to this platform that says start building your page. So on this, you'll not choose any one of your choice that goes with it, which is the free plan, remember. But now, most of the time, what we make use of is this, that is called the art of the smile, because I found it so really easy for me to make use of. So now let us try as much as possible to create a landing page. So we'll go to ClickBank. Let's go to ClickBank and pick one. So what we're going to do from ClickBank right now, it's let me start again. So come to ClickBank. I will go right away to the marketplace, because that's where we're going to get your the offer from. So as we have it this way, so from here you just click on this search. So clicking on that search will bring the most selling product for you. And what another thing you can do is to search it by gravity. Gravity will bring up the product that are actually selling, moving presently now. So you can see SZ Power, you can see a career juice and all that. So you can just pick anyone that you think you want to go with, and you promote it. So now let's just go with the very first one. You can see the gravity score so high. We have 825. Let's assume that that's what you actually want to promote presently now. So what you just do is, to go to the promote, you put in your username in ClickBank in there, in order for you to get your uplink. The uplink is more or less like your uplink is the link that is ascribed to you in order for ClickBank to trace any sales coming up from you, in order for them to be able to ascribe your commission back to you. So I haven't done that. So what we can now do now is probably to go to affiliate page, or better still, we can see you make use of that and look at we need to look at the sales page in order for us to carve out what we make use of ourselves. Most of the time what I make use of is I look into a sales page that has video, because video actually works most of the time. But if you don't have videos in there, no problem, we can still make use of something else. Let's see if probably we can have videos on there, and if we don't have video, we can make use of something else as well. We can make use of pictures like this, those are the images. So you can make use of image, instead of picture if you don't have any picture there. That's what we're talking about there. So let's say we want to make use of this. We want to make use of this image here, if you don't have any picture there, we have different images. So if you don't have pictures, you can make use of images as well, that goes this way. Okay, we're trying to see. So but for now, okay, let's see, let's make use of let's say we're using this. So we'll save. Okay, so we'll copy the image. But now let's get started from this first to start with. So we'll go back to where we have the sales page. Okay, so we carve out something from there. Scientists discover the real root cause of your. Okay, we can make use of this, So we'll copy that, probably the tropical for this. So this is what we're going to do. So we'll come back here to where we have this. We take this off and we'll look at it. The tropical secret for LD support LD with no. We can make use of something else. Let's use the scientists discover the root cause of this, blah blah blah. So now come in and say new scientific discovery. Okay, so we can increase it a bit. We can increase it such like that. So we'll come in there, we'll look at another one. Scientists discover the root cause of blah blah blah. Let's check if we can get something else. Because our bridge page needs to go in line with. That's why it says scientists discover the root cause of your pet not. Okay, so we can as well go with this. So just say the finally the real root cause of, see, I'm actually covering that. It's only the real root cause of belly fat discovered, right? Discovered, not diet or exercise. With it, we say not diet or exercise. So you can see actually, the way we put it. Finally, the root cause. So, with it, so you increase, you make so you spice it up the way you want it. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so now let's see the way it goes. That's it. So this one comes in there. Now, because this we don't have video, so this is what we're going to do. We'll remove this here. We'll remove this here. Come back here and add image. Remember, we don't have that, so that's what we were trying to look at. Since we don't have that, so we can use this. So let's see what we can make use of it there. So just look at okay, so let's take so come back to where it is. So we click on this, and we go get it, right? So we'll put it in there. So it's coming up. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, good. So as it's there now, so leave it, boom, right away. So that's it now, right? So that's it. But of course, we can as well still do something else with this. I think because of that image, you might probably have to go with something else with this in order to make it a bit, okay. So put it this way, and okay. Okay, good. So we're trying to align everything in order for it to have a very nice, shape together. Okay, I think it's very fine now. So with this now, so the next thing we're going to do is to take in a button that will give them call to action. So for call to action, we will say click here to learn more. But of course, click here to learn more, we can still increase it a bit. Good. Click here to learn more, and we make it very good. So we make it a bit so from there, this now comes in with a ClickBank. With a ClickBank link. Remember what we were given. Of course, we can still make use of this from here. Thinking of making use of this, and so that's all about it. So another thing we're going to do now is most of the time, the advertising stores will actually want you to put in your disclaimer. So you now go underneath your link down to where the disclaimer is, which is this. So just copy everything. You copy everything and you go to these two. Just click on the link there. Okay, before then let's just try go check one out, because in their own stuff they aren't actually allowing people to copy anything from their link, so we'll make use of something else. Just copy anyone from any other place, but make sure but what you just make use of, it's okay, so we change the color. Let's change the color. Good. So from there you increase a little bit. So from there, we'll now go back to where the disclaimer is in there. You copy the link, come back to where the link is, you put it in there and you leave it. So that's it. So after that, so you now come in there and you say publish page. We're going to find out if this is working properly. So from there you go back to your dashboard. That's all about stuff you want to do there. So you go back to your dashboard, and from a dashboard you go to where it is. So that's it there. So as we click on it now, it takes us up to where we're going to. Oh no, oops. That's not where we're going. Now we need to correct this subdomain name there, because that's what we'll be making use of. The subdomain, we need to correct it so we can actually change it back to what we are making use of. But we must make sure that we don't go against the affiliate. Okay, can you see now? They said it already exists, so you can just put in something there. S0.00. Okay, that's good, excellent. So that is available. So you link this one off, and let's see. So can you see now? So now let's look at what we've done. Can you see how excellent this is? So you can see how very rich and clean it is. So this is what you're going to do. If you click on this now, it takes you over to this, and I want us to do something quickly before we end it. I want us to go and link up image as well. I want us to go and link up our image, because most of the time people will actually click on that as well too. So Wisdom tells us that we need to link that as well too, because it's always good linking them. You might probably think oh, that is too much and all that, but it's always good. So at least if it's just only the image and the link in there, that's good. So click it to learn more. So I haven't done that, so let's now reload this again and we try it. So you can see the way that goes. So if you link on it, it goes in there. So if you click on this as well, it goes there. And if you come here, you click on it, it will go to the privacy, you go to the privacy policy page, which is the major thing, the advertising, network like Google, Facebook, Microsoft Ad, native advertisements and all that we actually look at when you actually promoting from the link. So I want to believe you get actually learned, you've actually gotten a value from what I just did today. Thanks and God bless. Till I come your way, remain blessed and keep pushing, because one of these days you're going to get it wrong. Thanks and God bless. Bye for now.